Hello, this is Forrest with ForrestBuysHouses.com with another frequently asked question, and I love this one. It's like, hey Forrest, my house isn't this piece of crap. It's a nice house. Will you still buy it? Absolutely. We buy nice houses all the time, and we can buy yours too. You know, oftentimes people have done a great job of keeping their house up, but they still have to move. They still can't afford the house anymore, or they still have some problem that needs to be solved. Well, we're a real estate solutions provider. We buy pretty homes, we buy beautiful homes, we buy distressed homes. But don't worry, whatever your situation is, we have a solution. We have a network of real estate professionals in Virginia and nationwide that we can work together and we can find a solution to your specific issue. So reach out to me on the number that you see on the video or our website at ForrestBuysHouses.com, and we will buy your house because we buy houses in Virginia and we will buy your house too. So give us a call, give us a try, and let us see how we can work for you. All right, take care. Have a great day. Bye.